looking at me there, and Mika looking at me here. Here we go. Woo!
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you.
So guys, today I've learned why they call Bantayan Island. Now if you look behind me, I'm standing in an old watchtower, but it was called Bantayan Sahari in the old days. Now that translates to watchtower of the king. And what they did in these watchtowers is they will have to look out for pirate vessels that's incoming. And it then became a common thing to say Bantayan, Bantayan, and that means keep watch. Later on, because it became so common on this island, the island then got named Bantayan Island. That's cool. What do you guys think? Okay, let me tell you guys a bit more about Bantayan. Bantayan is not a very big island. You can quickly drive with a scooter around it. Then the other thing is that you can go from here to the Virgin Island, and we got a private boat for 2,000 pesos. Let's go check our boat out. I think our boat is somewhere there. Check this nice sea urchin. I don't want to step on that one. Check this worm. And there's a sea star. Starfish. Yeah, my brain didn't function there. See, what I like about Bantayan Island is that you still get that very island vibe. It's still very underdeveloped nature, palm trees, blue waters. You know that whole island vibe. There is other things that I also like, is that you still have your cows and your chickens and the old way of living still happening on this island.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
We have made it to Virgin Island. We now need to pay an entrance fee. It's 200 pesos per person. Thank you. Mika is happy. Virgin Island is very beautiful. So I've told you guys what I like about Bantayan Island. But there's a few things that I also don't like. First of all, you have to take your helmet. I'm just joking about that one. We just need to stick to the rules. But the one thing I don't like is that it's very difficult to get proper food there. You're gonna have to eat at restaurants. But usually when you come on holiday, I guess that's not a problem, because you're gonna eat in lots of restaurants anyways. There's nice bars, but there's not actually much I don't like about the island. The island, it's small and it's nice. Ooh, we're gonna do some cliff jumping. This road is actually beautiful. Let's see how it looks. Oh, check, everyone has written their names in here, bub. Do you see? Check, there's names written into these plants. Welcome to cliff diving. I wonder if it's high. What a beautiful view. Feels like I'm part of nature. Yo, Virgin Island looks like paradise. Check all the coconut trees. And check this beach area. Isn't this beautiful? Very beautiful. We're gonna go to the cliff diving now. Let's go check it out. You can dive off here. Oh, lots of baby fish. Check, there's lots of baby fish there. Hello, how are you? Can we jump here? Yeah. Is it safe? How's it, guys? Okay. I'm gonna do it. It's high. I have the drone looking at me there, and Mika looking at me here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! I want to dive off now, but I'm gonna put my camera in here, and then I'm gonna dive. Let's see if I can keep it and not lose it. Here we go. Woo! It worked. Let's see what's under the water.
Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are.
Mika's first cliff diving. How did it feel?
It's very scary.
Anyways, if you ever come to Bantayan or near Bantayan, come to Virgin Island. I would recommend it to anyone. There's lots of fishes. Make sure you bring your snorkel. It's very beautiful. We also got a very nice day. Can't get more words than that. I think our diving videos will definitely convince you.